Your existence make privileged and special today. On top of it, let's take one more step to solve the problem which is flashing across our screen. So here we have to find the real root of x e power x is equal to 3 using regular falsi method or false position method. So first of all, it was given that f of x is equal to, so here it was given that f of x is equal to, this is x e power x, and if I bring this 3 inside, this will be minus. First of all, we have to check the values. So if I keep x is equal to 1 in this, so if I keep x is equal to 1, so f of 1 will be 1 into, this is e power 1, so 1 into e power 1 minus 3. So let's check here. So this will be 1 into shift and in e power 1 minus 3. So the value here is minus, so this is, so f of 1 value is nothing but minus 0.281718. So which is less than 0. So this is less than 0. So if I keep x is equal to 2, then see what happens. F of 2 will be, so in place of x if I keep 2, that is 2 into e square minus 3. So this value will be 2 into shift into e, that is e square minus 3. So the value here will be, so if I check this, so f of 2 value is equal to 11.77811. So this is a positive value. So we got one negative value and one positive value, so that we have to stop. And these are the roots. So the root lies between 1 and 2. So we have to consider x0 is equal to 1 and x1 is equal to 2, and f of x0 value is, so what is our f of x0 value? This is minus 0. This is 281718, and f of x1 value is equal to, here this is 11.77811. So these are all the values and we have to make a note of it. x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to 2, and this is minus 0.81718 and this is 11.77811. So next we have to go with x. Next we have to go with x1, x2, and this is x2. So here there is one formula here, that is f of x I plus 1 is equal to, so we have to find out this one for this. So f of I plus 1 will be f of I minus 1, f of xi minus xi, f of xi minus 1 by f of xi minus f of xi minus 1. So in this, if I keep x is equal to 1 here, in this if I keep x is equal to 1, I'll get this. So if you're feeling like difficult to remember this one, see, there is a shortcut. In order to find x2, so take subtract 2 from this. 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is 0 and we have to 0 after 1. So this is x1. Interchange these two, x1 here and f of x0, and you bring this down. So f of x1 minus, this is f of x0. So like this we can remember, and all the values are ready here. So we have x0, x1, f of x1, f of x2, all the values are ready here. And now let's get started to solve the problem here. So these are all the values which I am putting here, and x2 value will be x0. So what is our x0 value? This is 1 into, what is f of x1? So f of x1 value is nothing but, this is 11.77811 minus x1. So what is our x1 value? This is 2 into, so this is 2 into f of x0. F of x0 value is minus 0. This is 281718 divided by, so this value is f of x1. So what is f of x1? So f of x1 value is nothing but 11 point. See here, this is 11.77811 minus, and again this value, that is minus of minus plus. F of x0 value is this one, minus of minus plus, that is same, this one 0.2817181. Here minus into minus, this is plus, and everything is plus here. And if I calculate here, this value will be, see, so this value will be, this is 11.77811 plus, and this is 2 into 0.2817181 divided by, so this will be 11.77811 plus, and this value is 0.281781. So our value is 1 point, see here, so we got the value as 1.023. So this value is nothing but 1.02336. And again we have to find out f of x2. So f of x2, so from the question it is x into e power x minus 3. So if I substitute the same thing here, that is f of 0.02336. So this will be 1.02336 into e power 1.02336 minus 3. So f of x2 value will be, so if I check the answer here, this is 1.02336 into, that is shift into in, that is 1.02336 minus 3. So the value here is minus 0.152471. So if I substitute the same thing here, so our x2 value will be, so what is our x2 value? This is 1.02336 and f of x2 value is nothing but minus 0.1524, this is a 71. So again I have to check the value of, I have to calculate the value of x3. So subtract 2 from this. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So go with 1 and the next value is 2. So interchange this one, f of x2, f of x1 by, so this is f of x2, bring it down, and this one is minus f of x1. Or else in the formula, if I keep I is equal to 2, I'll get x3, the same value I'll get. So this is the easy way to remember, and every value it is very clear on the screen that, so x3 value is equal to, what is x1? So x1 is equal to 2. F of x2 value is nothing but, so see here, this is minus 0.152471. So f of x2 is ready and minus x2. So where is x2? So x2 value is this one, that is minus 1.02336 into f of x1. So f of x1 is nothing but 11.77811. So this is divided by f of x2. So what is f of x2? Minus 0.152471 minus f of x1, that is minus 11 point. So this is 11.77811. So this is minus and this is minus. So minus, if I take minus in the numerator and denominator and cancel it, then this value will be, x3 value will be, this is 2 into 0.152471 plus, and this value is 1.02336 into, this is 11.77811 divided by, so this value is nothing but 0.152471 plus, this is 11.77811. So the answer here is, x3 value is 1.035, this is 84. Again I have to calculate f of x3, so that is x into e power x minus 3. So f of x3 value will be, what is our x value? That is 1.03584 into e power, that is 1.035, this is 84 minus 3. So this value is, see here, 1.03584 into shift in, that is 1.03584 minus 3. So the value here is f of x3 value is minus 0.081549. So we got the value of x3 as well as f of x3. So let me put it in the paper. So x3 value is nothing but, this is 1.03584 and f of x3 value is nothing but minus 0.081549. So all these values are ready, and again I have to go with x4. So in order to go with x4, So it is very clear that. So for finding x4, there is another formula, subtract 2 here. So 4 minus 2 is 2, and after 2 this is 3. So interchange these through, that is x3 x2 by, this is f of x3 minus f of x2. In this, if I keep all the values, so we have every value here ready. So if I substitute all the values here, then x4 value, what is x2? x2 value is nothing but 1.0336, and f of x3 value is nothing but minus 0.0. This is 81449 minus x3. So this is our x3, that is 1.03584 into f of x2 value means minus of minus, that is 0.152471 divided by f of x3 value means minus 0.081549 minus f of x2, and minus of minus, this is plus 0.1524, this is a 71. So our x4 value will be, see, this is minus and this is plus, and if I multiply, that is 1.03584 into, and this one is 0.1524, this is a 71 minus, and this value is 1.02336 into 0.081549, this is divided by 0.152471 minus 0.081549. So the value here is 1.05019. So we got x4 value. So after getting this x4 value, so we have to again find out the value of, so where I have substituted this one. So all the values are ready here, that is our value, that is 1.05, this is 0.19, and again I have to find out the value of f of x4. So if I go with f of x4, then this value will be, f of x4 value will be x into e power x minus 3. So f of x4 value will be x, what is our x value? 1.05019 into e power, that is 1.105019 minus 3. If I use this calci, then see, this is 1.05019 into shift in, that is 1.05019 minus 3. So the value here is, f of x4 value here is 0.0016468. So again I got the value of x4 as well as f of x4, that is 0.0016468. So again I have to go with x5. So x5 is nothing but, so if I reduce 2 here, this will be x3 after x4, and if I interchange x4, this is x3, if I bring it down, this will be x4 minus f of x3. So all the values are ready here. If I substitute, x5 value will be, what is x3 value? So this is nothing but 1.03584, and this one is f of x4. So this value is 0.0164. So 16468 minus x4 is nothing but, this is 1.05019 into f of x3 value is nothing but minus of minus plus, this is 0.8154, this is divided by f of x4 value. So what is our x4 value? That is 0.0016468 minus f of x3. So this is minus of minus, 0.081549. So if I calculate this one, so that is 1.0384 into, this is 0.00164, this is a 68 plus, and the value here is 1.05019 into 0.0815449 divided by 0.0016468 plus 0.0815449. So the value here is, so our x5 value here, so this is x5 value is 1.04995, so which is almost 1.045. So so this one, if you check this one, so this is x5 value is nothing but 1.0, this is 45. So the final answer till 5 iterations, so we can calculate, and hence the root of the given equation is, hence the root of the equation will be, x is equal to 1.04. so this is 1.04 is the final answer, and this is how we have to solve, and this is the way we have to solve. And in the next video, in my next video, I am going to tell about the iteration method. So keep watching that one and stay connected, and very soon I'll be uploading, you know what to do. At least raise your thumb for your support, and thank you so much. If you really like, you know what to do, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you so much.